Hello friends! Come spend the weekend with me. Today, pupunta tayo sa bahay ng sister ko kasi super excited ako. Meron akong ibibigay sa pamangkin ko. Tada! Super excited ako. Pareho kaming meron and bubuksan namin together. Yay! Sinundo ako ng brother-in-law ko. Si Kuya Jeremy.
Hi!
Si Kuya Jeje.
Hello guys! Hello vlog! Welcome to her guys.
Hello! Walang tao. Wala to tao. I have something for you yan. Sige, laro tayo. Ha? Kasi pareho tayo meron. Look! Let's open it together. Makita natin.
Camera.
Yeah. Wait. Ibaba. Yo.
Jar.
Ganda? You like it? Sige nga, tingnan natin. Testingin natin. Ano siya? Camera. Tapos pwedeng i-print yung picture. Pero, yeah.
Glass.
Pero ano siya, yung parang ano, yung paper lang.
yeah.
Para mura. Mura lang yung ano niya. Unlike the Instax one na film, tapos mahal.
Oh yeah.
Oo.
We're brokies.
Tasty. Teka lang. Yes!
Hello. Yes, it works.
It works! Tapos, insert, malamang dito. Sa flat one. Though, hindi ko alam kung pa ganun or...
You can even. Yes.
May mga filter, tsaka may mga, ang tawag doon? Frame!
Yes.
Hindi, tanggalin ko yung
Getting
frame.
frames instead of
What?
filters.
Paano kaya tanggalin? Back?
I don't know.
Ay! What? Ganun lang pala. Hello?
Print. Oh.
Oh.
Okay then.
Ayusin natin.
Well, that's interesting. Google Translate.
Yeah, paano ulit? Wait, ito.
Yeah.
Print.
Yeah. And then
This one.
yeah.
Ah, okay. Ano, etong camera na button means okay.
Oh.
Yay! Tapos,
Just rip it. ASMR.
yay!
Nope. Oh my god. He doesn't want to look over
Julia.
there.
Julia! Ooh.
This is yours.
Sleepy cat. Sleepy cat.
Ayun o. Nung ininit. Hindi, kagabi okay pa eh.
Sinipsip.
Ay, dala mo?
Of course. Pupunta kami sa playground.
Flash part.
Slash park.
Yeah.
Para mag-picture.
Yes.
Happy ka?
Yeah. Look at this.
Tingin.
Yeah.
Nice! May araw.
Yes.
Yes!
Because suns exist.
Ah. Matapang po sila? Ha?
Oh.
Talaga? Pero hindi tumatahol, ano?
Kasama ako, hindi siya masyado.
Ah, meron po kami chihuahua. Maingay din po yan?
Lalo na may mga tao sa labas.
I'm gonna print. I'm gonna print.
Why is mine so loud? Wow. But I think it stains a bit.
Sige, try lang natin. Example lang. Try lang natin. Ah. Oh. What? Hmm?
Wow. It's me. It's me. Hi, it's me.
Nakatulog siya, hawak na yung picture niya, oh.
Amazing.
Ibuti. Picture natin si Lolo mamaya. Daddy!
Ano niregalo mo sa kanya? Ayan?
Yeah, something similar, but it's not the same. Almost not the same.
You can carve the pages, determine the structure. You can express yourself in any way you want to on the pages. I wouldn't get
Good morning. It's now Sunday and it's time to prepare for the week ahead. So,
It's Elias. Hail, icy choco, you want?
Icy choco you want? Or orange juice?
Icy choco na lang na.
Orange juice na.
Ah, orange juice.
Tsaka ano na?
Iced Vietnamese. Maliit nga lang. Ito.
hindi, parang sakto lang.
Try nyo.
Same size lang naman sila.
Parang sakto lang.
Try mo na. Hey, honey.
Ala! Ha? Ano?
Tingnan mo yung kuya mong favorite ka. Tikman mo.
Normal.
Gonna pee first.
Yummy. What about plastic?
Ha?
Plastic.
What?
Plastic.
No, it's not. It's called foil.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. Then you just keep spinning. Sige.
Keep spinning.
Meron na, meron na.
Oh. Yep.
Oh, show it to
Wow.
the camera.
Yes.
Girl!
What's that?
Frankie.
Ano yan? Picture?
Yeah.
It's very frame.
Ah, parang naka-picture frame. Bibili mo? Bibilin mo?
For me.
Si Dale Potty.